Hey guys, what's up? It's Apple Critics from AppleCritics.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the latest and greatest update for the AirPods Pro. So this update is available for the AirPods Pro and the AirPods 2, and in this video I'm going to be showing you why you should upgrade to the 2D15 firmware for the AirPods Pro. So without further ado, let's go ahead and roll that intro. Hey guys, what's up? It's Apple Critics from AppleCritics.com, and today in this video I'm going to be talking about the latest update for the AirPods Pro and the AirPods 2. Now the update goes by the firmware name of 2D15, and you're probably going to be wondering how to update your brand new AirPods Pro and AirPods 2 to this latest update. So basically in this video I'm going to be talking about everything that's new in this AirPods Pro update, along with how to update your particular model of the AirPods. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight on into this video. So first off, what you're going to want to do is just connect your AirPods to your phone if they're not already connected. So you're going to make sure that they are, and then once they are connected, what you're going to do is go into settings, and then you're going to go into general, and then you're going to go into about. And now if you scroll all the way down, we'll say your AirPods Pro right there, so you'll simply tap on it. And then you'll see everything about your AirPods, so we'll say your manufacturer, the model number, the serial number, the firmware number, and the hardware version. So you can see that I'm currently not on the latest update. So you can see that I'm currently on 2C54, and now what I will do is update to the latest firmware version of 2D15. And then you're going to see... So now what you're going to do is basically connect your AirPods Pro to a power source, but while you're doing this, you're going to make sure that your AirPods Pro or AirPods 2 are showing a green light, and then you're going to make sure that your AirPods Pro are still connected to your iPhone, and then you're going to close the case, and then go ahead and insert the lightning cable. And then what you're going to do is place your iPhone right beside the AirPods, and then it will automatically update the firmware version of the AirPods Pro. And then what you're going to do is simply go to Bluetooth, and you'll see your AirPods Pro right there. You're simply going to tap on it. And then just wait on it. And just open up the case, and then you're going to make sure that your AirPods Pro are connected. And now once your AirPods Pro stay connected, what you're going to do is just put your iPhone right beside the AirPods Pro. And now your iPhone should stay connected, and then the AirPods Pro will update in the background. And now you're just going to wait for your iPhone to update the AirPods Pro in the background, and then it will be on a new firmware version just like that. So now opening up my AirPods and then going to settings and then general and then about, and then tapping on my tab for my AirPods Pro, you're now going to see that the firmware version is 2D15. So now in order to update the AirPods Pro to the latest firmware version, there is no specific setup tutorial or anything like that. All you have to do is plug your AirPods Pro into the power source, then keep your iPhone close to your AirPods, and then it will automatically update in the background. So it's just that simple. Now it approximately took about 15 to 20 minutes to do this, and it was all in the background, and I kept my iPhone close, and then I was able to update my AirPods Pro. So you're probably wondering what's so spectacular about this 2D15 update for the AirPods Pro. Well, it has been available for a week for the AirPods Pro, but it is now available for the AirPods 2 as well. And it addresses the cracking or static sound that was present whenever you would use your AirPods Pro. So basically, it improves the noise cancellation feature with the AirPods Pro. Now, Apple actually suggested if you still hear that cracking sound to just take out your AirPods Pro. And then once you take out your AirPods Pro, you're simply going to just take a cotton swab and then just swab the mesh parts of the AirPods Pro. So it's just this part right next to the ear tip that you want to swab. And then you're just going to look around and maybe even swab this part as well of the stem of the AirPods Pro. And I'm just going to keep doing this all around the AirPods Pro, and maybe in the actual where the ear tip is as well would be beneficial to do. And then they also said to do the other tip for the AirPods Pro, so both left and right ears. And mainly this part right here. And then you can use the ear tip as well. So that is what you're going to want to do. You're just going to take a cotton swab and work its magic for the AirPods Pro. So once you have updated the AirPods Pro in the background, you're probably wondering what's new. Well, Apple actually didn't release a specific changelog that listed all the normal release notes, so it's some minimal upgrades, but just fixes the popping and cracking sound most importantly. Yes, it is safe to update. It is noticeable that it is fixed, but it depends on your AirPods Pro. So if it isn't working, Apple is more than happy to send a replacement model of the AirPods Pro to you. So just be sure to check for that. Now, once again, Apple did release that 4-step process to clean the AirPods Pro, which I just went over. And this cracking and popping sound is very specific to which AirPods you have. So it's mostly in the AirPods Pro. And since there's such a new AirPods, Apple still has to figure out all the details and mesh what needs to be fixed. So it is on the way. Now, Apple also did recommend actually downloading your music and not just streaming it. So they wanted you to actually download a song. So let's say tap on the 3 dots and then you want to press on add to library. And then once you add it to library, Apple wants you to actually download it. So you're going to hit that download button, and they say that the overall sound quality will be much better when it's downloaded rather than streaming over Bluetooth to your AirPods Pro. So that is what Apple is also recommending. Now, Apple also does recommend going into settings and then into Bluetooth and then to your AirPods Pro. Just tap on the eye and then take a look at all these settings right here. And what you're going to do is actually press forget device if it's still not working. And you can press forget device. And then what we can do is just reconnect by just tapping on this button at the back. And then Apple will just want you to reconnect your AirPods just by tapping and holding on the button at the back till the Bluetooth section recognizes it. Then you're simply going to tap on it now. And now they will be connected. So it's just that simple. And then you can just connect it to your iPhone. So it's just that simple. So Apple did release 2 guides for the AirPods Pro. So Apple said if active noise cancellation isn't working as expected on your AirPods Pro, follow these steps. So it says make sure that you have the latest software on your connected iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, or Mac. Put AirPods Pro in your ears and check that active noise cancellation is turned on. And then clean the mesh located at the top of your AirPods Pro. Sometimes active noise cancellation can be affected if debris or earwax builds up in the area shown below, which I just showed. And then Apple said if this happens, you might experience a loss of bass sound and increase in background sound such as street or airplane noise. And then it said if active noise cancellation isn't working as expected, contact Apple support. And the second guide that Apple released was if your AirPods Pro make crackling or static sounds. It just said make sure that you have the latest software on your connected iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, or Mac. Check that the connected device is nearby and there's no wireless interference or obstructions between you and your device. So Apple says just to avoid a lot of thick walls and be closer to your device and not be too far, because the further you get, the more potential to have a crackling or static sound. And then it said listen to the audio from a different app to see if the app causes the issue. And then they say if you still experience sound quality issues or if the issues increase in loud environments with exercise while talking on your phone, contact Apple support. And this guide was from a week ago. Now I will have links to both these guides that Apple posted down in the description down below. So thank you for watching this video on the latest update for the AirPods Pro 2D15. Please be sure to comment down below if you're having any issues with this update or if the update fixed all your issues. Be sure to subscribe for more great content. Hit that like button down below as it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. And be sure to follow me on all the social media platforms of Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. My username there is Apple Critics. And thanks for watching.